Simple mobile international calls often fail due to three main reasons: missing the required international add-on, incorrect dialing codes, or carrier-imposed blocks. First, as of September 2025, Simple Mobile requires a paid add-on for outgoing international calls. Without it, calls won't connect or could incur high fees. Second, always dial correctly, plus country code plus local number, omitting any leading zeros. Lastly, check for blocks via *611 or the app, which can occur due to unpaid bills, suspected fraud, or high-volume calling. These blocks are usually temporary and can be lifted after verification. First, confirm your Simple Mobile account has a positive balance, as it's essential for international add-ons to function. Double-check your dial codes and ensure your phone is VoLTE-enabled for better call quality. If calls still fail, use the Simple Mobile app's diagnostic tool, updated in May 2025, to identify error codes like blocked by carrier or insufficient funds. If blocked, contact Simple Mobile customer service via *611 for assistance and provide any necessary verification. For persistent issues, consider that Simple Mobile relies on T-Mobile's network, so problems could stem from there. Contacting T-Mobile support might be necessary if Simple Mobile support can't resolve the issue. Also be aware that as prepaid services and mobile networks evolve, expect AI-driven diagnostics in apps to auto-fix dial code errors in the near future, which may help resolve these issues in the long term.